Elro Manufacturing, Central Florida's premier manufacturer of prefabricated exterior facades and building kits. Our growing Central Florida location is geographically and strategically positioned to deliver the highest quality prefabricated goods from a singular source. Allow us this time to take you on a visual journey to demonstrate how prefabrication can encourage speed to revenue. Elro Manufacturing is a proud part of a small group of corporate partners working both singularly and in collaboration to design, fabricate, assemble, and erect prefabricated goods. Within our factory, several related trades work together to deliver a kit of parts that often include building components, a shed or garage, entire single-family homes, load-bearing multifamily structures, and complete holistic facades. Manufacturing begins in our engineering department, where three-dimensional digital models are exported to automated CNC work centers. Every component of our product's assembly, cold-form steel, cladding, and glazing systems are entirely fabricated using CNC technology for superior fit and finish. Fabrication begins at our roll-forming work center. Flat coils of galvanized steel are formed into assembly-ready profiles. Sheathing and waterproofing are shop-installed. Cladding is fabricated, formed, and welded with a blend of sophistication and craftsmanship. When suitable, glazing systems are factory-installed and sealed in the cleanest environment possible. Our kit of parts are typically installed by one of our award-winning corporate partners. The schedule compression demonstrated with this project could only be realized with the use of prefabricated assemblies. On site, projects that once took long periods of time to erect are now complete in a third of the time and with fewer workers. The byproduct of a shortened schedule, speed to revenue, will make a significant positive difference to your project's financial outcome. Thank you for considering Elro Manufacturing as your Design Assist prefabrication partner. We look forward to collaborating with you for your next ambitious design with the delivery of high quality, superior performing, and schedule compressing goods and services.